Hey everyone, Andrew here, Wheel 4x4 Adventures. Our 9 nights on Fraser adventure is coming to an end. The car is all packed here. Thought I'd do a quick little run around of our site. So just in front of the site there, you can see there's a power outlet there. We had a powered site, and then just beyond it there's the water there, so most sites have access to drinking water very close. The site's quite large, so that tree there in front of the Land Cruiser, to the tree over here just to the right of the green power box. And then we come back to the back of the car, you've got the yellow marker there. So site number 35. All the sites have really great bin facilities, so they get changed every day. They're elevated to make sure that none of the wildlife gets into your rubbish. It's important that wildlife isn't fed. There's a lot of goannas here at Cathedrals on Fraser. So it's quite a wide site. So yellow there, over here to the other yellow marker. So the sites are really quite large. You're not on top of people, which is great. The whole place is quite beautiful and shady. There's beautiful trees. And then just in the distance there you'll see there's a fire pit, so that's something to keep in mind when you're booking. If there's a communal fire pit, the fire pits are communal, so if there's a fire pit nearby, great for you using, but potentially on nights where you don't want to be using the fire pit, it doesn't mean it still won't get used. So make that call beforehand whether you want to be close to a fire pit or not. But then look, all the sites walking around, we wanted a powered site and we haven't seen any that we've thought, hey, they're not to scratch. They're all really good. With this site here there's 2 camp kitchens in the distance there and an amenities block, so we found this location really good. Site 35. Again, absolutely beautiful place. Cathedrals on Fraser. Now I've got the long drive home. Thanks for watching.